Hey WealthSightIQ family, ever wanted to look into the financial health of a company before investing, but didn't know where to start? Today, I'm showing you how to find a company's financial statement in just a few clicks. First, let's get this straight. If a company is publicly traded, that means it's listed on the stock market. It must publish its financials, and you can access them for free. Step 1. Go to the company's official website. Scroll to the bottom and look for a link that says Investor Relations or just Investors. That's where they keep the good stuff. Step 2. Once you're in the Investor section, look for reports like annual reports, quarterly reports, and earnings releases. These include balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow reports. Step 3. Want the official government version? Head over to SEC.gov and search for the company using its name or stock ticker. You'll find every filing there, direct from the source. Bonus tip: if the company is private, their financials aren't usually public, but you might find summaries in databases like Crunchbase or PitchBook. Now you know how to track a company's financial health before you invest. Like this video if it helped you, subscribe to WealthSightIQ for more practical money knowledge, and comment below, what company are you researching next?